In a strategic move to solidify its presence in the aerial mobility sector, Toyota has announced an additional investment of $500 million in an air taxi startup. This substantial funding comes as part of Toyota's ongoing commitment to innovate and expand its portfolio in the rapidly evolving transportation landscape. The investment aims to accelerate the development of cutting-edge aerial technologies, enhancing the startup's capabilities in creating efficient and safe air transportation solutions. With urban air mobility gaining momentum globally, Toyota's backing is expected to play a pivotal role in bringing these futuristic vehicles closer to reality. As the automotive giant continues to diversify its interests beyond traditional vehicles, this latest funding round highlights Toyota's vision for a sustainable and interconnected future. Stay tuned for further updates as the air taxi project progresses and transforms the way we think about urban commuting.